Hey foodies, and welcome back to 7 Look. Today we're embarking on a culinary adventure that I've been so excited to share with you all. We're talking about a true legend in the world of Peking Duck, Quan Ju De, right here in beautiful Vancouver. Now you might recognize the name Quan Ju De because they are absolutely iconic, hailing all the way from Beijing with over 150 years of history. And get this, they're a Michelin-recognized restaurant. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just any Chinese restaurant. We're talking about a serious culinary institution. As soon as you step inside, you can feel the elevated experience. The environment here is just stunning. Really elegant, spacious, and perfect for a special meal. And for those of you familiar with Vancouver, it's in such a prime spot. Literally right next to City Hall, making it super convenient to get to. Now, let's talk about the food. I went for their Iden and Quan Ju special $88 combo for 2. But here's a pro tip for you guys, and this is super important. This particular menu is their lunch special, available only from Monday to Friday, between 11 a.m. and 4 p.m. It's often not prominently displayed on the regular menu, but shown on their website, so you absolutely have to ask for it. Trust me, it's worth it. We kicked things off with the Quan Ju signature duck soup. This is classic, comforting, and just absolutely brimming with flavor. It's a clear, rich broth that just warms you from the inside out. You can taste the essence of the duck, and it's served in generous portions for 2. It's the kind of soup that makes you feel instantly at ease. And now, for the stars of the show, the main courses. First, the stir-fried black tiger prawns. These were perfectly cooked, plump, juicy, and with a beautiful, savory sauce. Reviewers online often praise how fresh and well-executed the seafood dishes are here, and these prawns definitely lived up to that. Then we had the stir-fried beef with eggs. This is such a comforting and classic combination, but Quan Ju De elevates it. The beef was incredibly tender, and the eggs were perfectly scrambled and integrated, creating a dish that was both hearty and subtly delicious. It's a dish that might seem simple, but it's done to perfection. And of course, the grand finale, the Quan Ju signature Beijing Duck. This is what they're famous for, and for good reason. Even though it's a half duck in this combo, it's more than enough for 2 people. The skin was incredibly crispy, almost like glass, and the meat was succulent and flavorful. You get those traditional pancakes and all the fixings to make your own delicious wraps. Online, people consistently call this the best Peking duck they've ever had outside of Beijing, and I can totally see why. It's an art form. To finish things off, we had the brown sugar glutinous rice cakes. These were such a delightful sweet ending to the meal. They're chewy, subtly sweet, and just the right texture. It's a comforting and traditional dessert that cleanses the palate perfectly. Again, generous for 2 servings. So, my overall experience at Quan Ju De Vancouver? Absolutely fantastic. From the moment you walk in, the atmosphere is sophisticated and inviting. The service is impeccable. And the food? Well, it speaks for itself. Every single dish was expertly prepared and tasted incredible. And seriously, remember my tip about that lunch special? It's a hidden gem and such great value for a Michelin-recognized dining experience. If you're looking for an unforgettable meal, whether it's for a special occasion or just to treat yourself, Quan Ju De is a must-visit in Vancouver. Have you been to Quan Ju De, or do you have another favorite spot for Peking Duck? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more adventures, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.